to do is, you see the controller over there, the brake controller?
Yep.
Yeah, you need to lift the pin up at the back, push it, so it goes, that's it, keep pushing. Might need two hands. That's it, pull it all the way around towards you. And then the other brake that's next to it, pull that towards you. That's it, no, leave it, that's fine, you can let go of it. So just get used to your foot on the DSD, so you have to put your foot on that, put your foot on, just keep your foot on it. If you hear that go off again, then take your foot off, put your foot back on, okay? Go into notch on, just leave it there, make sure it doesn't take power, and then rev it up to full power. Just give it a second, it'll slowly rev up. Don't go too daft with it. That'll do. And then nice and steady, take it back to 1 and let the revs come back down. That's it, then go to off. Into engine only. Push that controller back down to emergency. Push it, you'll hear air come out. That's it. And lift the pin up and pull it back to where you started. Push it, push it, push it. Yeah. And then have you got the pin lifted? Lift that. That's it. Drop it. Take the brake off. Into off. Now do you want to have a look?